In this video, we are going to see how we can process the image by importing fill, image filter, and image draw. Uh, Here, first we are taking the variable as image, and we are opening the image by giving the open function. By giving my this picture is in my computer at this path. So now I'm showing this image. Now I'm printing the image size. Then to plot the image, I need to copy the image in another variable. So I'm taking the image plt to copy the image, and I'm I'm plotting the image by giving the copied image from the plt. Then I'm going to draw an ellipse. That is, I'm giving the function that for the copied image, that is image plot. I'm going to give the ellipse and the size, and I'm going to fill black color and the red line as and the outline as the color. Now I'm going to show this image. Then we have to resize the image. For resizing the image, we are using the function called resize. I'm resizing to this size, this measurement, and I'm taking the I'm saving the another to the another variable, and image size and image size path is this. I'm saving this image, and I'm printing the resized image. Then I'm going to rotate the image, and for that function I'm going to give image dot rotate. I'm going to rotate at the 45-degree angle, and I'm showing this. So again I'm resizing the image to minimizing the image size. So I'm taking the 50 and 70 as the measurement. I'm saving it in the another variable called image resize 2, and then I'm saving and I'm displaying the image. For flipping, I'm, I'm using the transpose function for flipping. First, I'm going to flip to the top and bottom, uh, and next I'm going to flip left to right. Then I'm going to crop the image by this measurements. For cropping, I'm choosing the temporary variable, and after using the crop with these measurements, I'm going to display function. I'm going to convert it into the for converting the image into the gray color. I'm using the letter L. To convert it into the black and white, I'm using the 1. And I'm going to use the image filter, that is, I'm going to blur with the blur concept of 10% blur, like that. And I'm showing the image. So we'll run this program. See the output comes like this. And the image size is printed over here.